Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Come and join me as I conduct the coronavirus home test kit, which you need to undergo if you're on a 10-day quarantine here in London, United Kingdom. I'm Adrian Rubite, and this is my channel. So, here's the COVID-19 home test kit. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open it and we're gonna do the testing. So, wait lang. So dahil kailangan natin sumunod sa mga protocol ng United Kingdom, so dapat ay here. So you have this, and then you have this, of course. So, and then you have the security seal, and then the barcode and stuff like that. And then, so dito mo ilalagay ngayon yung COVID-19 mo kapag na-conduct mo na siya. So, and then you have this instructions and guide. So, madali lang siya. You just need to understand it para magawa natin yung home testing kit. Okay. Open the wrapper with the swab. Open the package carefully. Wow, this is really okay. So dahil isa lang yung swab, gagamitin mo to sa mouth mo at saka sa ilong mo. So, ano ko So, dahil isang swab lang siya, so you need to be careful. Dapat ang unahin natin yung sa mouth natin kesa ilong tapos mouth, di ba? Okay. So, take the throat sample. So, holding the swab in your hand, open your mouth wide. Gently rub the swab over both tonsils at the back of the throat for 10 seconds. Okay. Okay. Here it goes. Okay. Okay, next one. Kakaloka. Galing sa bunganga ko, ipapasok ko ngayon sa ilong ko, di ba? So, hindi ko okay. This is for 10 seconds ulit. So, put the same end of the same swab gently into one nostril by about 2.5 centimeter. Yeah. So, 1 inch. So, good luck sa atin siya. Okay. And then, kabila naman. Oh my God. This is... okay. Number 10. So, place the swab into the plastic tube. Okay. Ito na siya. Then, babaliin natin siya. There. And then, check. Ayan. Akati ng ilong ko sobra. Yan. Next one, check that the tube and the leak-proof bag have the same barcode number. Okay. Have the same barcode number. So, i-check natin sila. Ayan. Kung parehas pa sila. There. Ayan. So, dahil bilang parehas naman sila. Okay. So we're done with it. There. So I'm good with this one. And then so I just need to register online. So, i-register na natin siya. So, we need to go sa kanilang website. Ayan. There you go. Ayan. Tapos, i-register na natin. Ayan, i-register natin. So, mag-start tayo. And then, who are you registering a test for? Of course, myself. And then continue. And then continue without an account. So, and then, tapos sagutan lang natin yung mga yan. Yung barcode, ando dun sa likod ng plastic kanina. Tsaka yung barcode na nilagay natin dun sa tube. Tsaka dun sa package. Ayan. So, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang. So, the rest niyan, sasagutan mo lang siya. And then, lalabas na yung registered ka na sa kanila. So, yun. Okay? So, there you have it, guys. My first COVID-19 home testing. They're just gonna update me for the result tomorrow. Hopefully, it's gonna be negative. And please watch out for my second COVID-19 home testing that's gonna be on day 8 of my 10-day quarantine here in London. Until then, thank you for watching.